When installing running boards, use ramps to create enough clearance to work under the truck. Be sure to set the parking brake as well. Begin by organizing all of your hardware. Using your instructions, identify each piece. Then lay them out in the general position in which they will be installed. Start on the front driver's side of the vehicle. Locate the front body mounting bolt. This is also called the factory body bolt. Unscrew this bolt with a socket wrench and remove the washer and set aside. Next, select the driver's side front mounting bracket. After returning the washer on top of the bracket, insert the factory body mount bolt through the mounting bracket and secure loosely. Next, move to the center body mount. Locate the body mount bolt in this location, and once again remove using a socket wrench. Select the driver's side center mounting bracket and support bracket. It's a good idea to see how they go together before installing. Attach this mounting bracket just like the front one, as previously described, using the center body mount bolt. Tighten well using a socket wrench. Once tightened, the center support bracket can now be installed. Simply slide it into place and make sure the bolt holes are lined up. Install using the provided hardware. Tighten the bolts very well using a socket wrench. Make sure you do not over-tighten. Next, move to the driver's side rear end of the cab. Locate the body mount bolt in this location and remove using a socket wrench once again. Remove the washer and set the bolt aside. Select the driver's side rear mounting bracket. Install into place using the body mount bolt. Once again, use a socket wrench, but do not tighten at this time. Now that all the brackets are in position, the sidebar can now be installed. Lay out the sidebar in its general position on the ground. Installation will begin at the front mounting bracket. Remove the protective caps from the ends of the sidebar. With assistance, lift the front of the mounting bar up to the front mounting bracket. Determine the correct hole to use and then attach using the proper hardware. Do not tighten at this time. Do the same on the other end of the sidebar, loosely connecting it with the proper hardware to the rear mounting bracket. Next, attach the center support to the sidebar using the proper hardware. Now that it's all loosely put together, level and adjust the sidebar and tighten all the hardware. Repeat this process by installing the other sidebar on the opposite side of the truck. Once all the hardware is tightened, it is then ready to use.